here at Drift Symphony again. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm gonna meet up with my buddy Alex. He's driving. Unfortunately, I'm not driving today because I blew my engine 2 weeks ago here. But it's all good. We're gonna still go out here and have some fun. See these guys car on Instagram.
Oh my goodness.
Team Brown. So we had to go meet up with Alex, see where he's at. Say he's back here on his back stretch. He got an S550 as well. So see what he got going on. We have a new hoodie design out. Be sure to go to our website and get yourself one. It will greatly support our channel and allow us to continue making content just like this. Alex's Mustang.
I don't know how it works, man. I'm a dumb boomer. I don't, you know.
You're a boomer? How old are you?
I'm like 35.
What's that? So you still young?
Yeah, no, I am. I just have an old mentality, so like, I don't, you know.
There's nothing wrong with that. When you gonna go out there?
About to.
How's the track feel?
It's good. It's loose. It's always loose.
Yeah.
It's always loose. All right, buddy. But yeah, I'm trying to, right now, what we'll do is I'll just set everybody up in the car and I'll just do like 2 laps and then switch out so that I can give everybody a chance.
True that.
Is this everybody here? Everybody here's for me. So,
I know.
So,
I know. A good little view.
Yeah. I like it back here because the pits is 18 and up only.
Oh.
So like sometimes friends or family have like kids or something like that. Plus it's, I'm right next to the car and then
there's like perfect view
right
way better
here,
than over there.
yeah, right here on the track. Yeah.
So we're gonna see how it go with his Mustang. Man, Alex getting ready. Got the underglow on. See how it goes. Alright. You gotta whip it way harder than me.
Can't do that, you better not.
Yes, you can. That's the one underglow. Oh yeah, I see that guy. Rolling. Mustang. You just did a run. You just did a run. Yeah. You wanna go? Oh yeah, of course. All right, Troy, you gotta go crazy. 360s and everything.
Oh, I don't know about 360s.
How you felt about that one?
That was pretty good.
Dang, you was getting it, boy. Oh man, my eyes. What's your name?
Zach.
Zach. I'm Trevor.
Nice to meet you, man.
And which BMW trim is this?
Huh?
Which BMW is this?
E92 335i.
Oh, 335. Oh, nice. Turn the boost up?
Yeah. Single turbo, 21 psi.
God dang. So this ain't fast.
Yeah, it's fun.
All right. Well, let's see how it goes. You got wise fab or something like that?
Yeah, wise fab.
Okay, dude.
Wise fab front, fake wise fab rear.
Okay. out here 2 weeks ago and it blew up.
That ain't my luck.
Yeah, it is what it
There's been
is.
a bunch of stuff get broke here today.
I know.
Yeah.
All right, man. Well, what I gotta do to drive the Mustang?
It ain't mine. You're asking the wrong guy.
I know. I have a question because so all the drivers get steering wheels. I am a driver, but unfortunately I couldn't bring my car because I blew the engine up 2 weeks out here.
Well, did you pay to drive here?
Yes, I did.
You did.
Yes, sir.
You showed me a ticket? All right.
But
Where's your white wristband? They didn't give it to you because
you
didn't drive.
Yeah.
I got you.
During this part of the video, there was a lot of copyright music going on, so there's no audio. But huge thanks to Hurt for giving me the Drift Symphony 2 steering wheel. I can't wait to get that steering wheel on the Mustang. That's pretty much going to do it for this video. Of course, Drift Symphony is always an amazing time. And yet again, I put myself in a situation where I wasn't able to drive, but I'll do better, get better and stronger so that next time I'll be able to really show what I can do out there and just have some fun with everyone.